Hello, my name is Mike. Today we are talking about the new Xi640 camera. The Optris Xi640 is an industrial long wavelength infrared camera that offers innovation, affordability and precision in non-contact thermal imaging. Designed and manufactured in Germany for industrial applications. This infrared camera features a high-resolution thermal imaging capability of 640 x 480 pixels, enabling it to excel in capturing temperature data across an extensive range from -20 up to 900 degrees C. Additionally, the Motorized Focus function lets users precisely focus remotely on their surface temperature measurement targets. The camera's compact yet durable and waterproof design makes it ideal for fixed installations or mounted setups, guaranteeing durability in diverse industrial manufacturing environments. The Optris Xi640's robust design ensures reliability, making it an indispensable tool for process engineers seeking accurate infrared temperature measurements. Featuring USB as its primary interface, the Optris Xi640 facilitates seamless connection to computers at 32 Hz frame rate. In combination with the PIX Connect software, the Optris Xi640 offers access to more complex software functionalities as such line scanning or image merging. PIX Connect is a powerful software platform for thermal image processing and temperature data collection. Thanks to the analog and digital process interface, the Xi640 infrared camera is perfectly suited to providing control input for machines and equipment. Moreover, the infrared camera Xi640 is compatible with an extensive range of accessories tailored for harsh environment conditions. Mechanical mounting accessories, electrical interfaces, and connection cables complete the portfolio of compatible accessories at an attractive price point.